All right, guys, Cody Meyer here. This is the 2018 Boat Bling Challenge. I'm here with the winner, Garik Meyers.
Good to meet you.
Congratulations. Yes, this is one of my favorite events of the year, guys. Boat Bling puts this event on where they select a winner. You get to fish for $1,000 today if he beats me. This is an awesome lake, full of big largemouth, so it's going to be an amazing day. You're going to get a lot of great product. And the format of this is really cool. It's MLF style. We're going to weigh each fish when we catch them and release them, and the biggest 5 fish at the end of the day is going to win. So again, if you win, you get $1,000. But you know, Boat Bling again is some of my favorite products. This is one of my first sponsors, guys. I came to them, I believed in the product. So if you have a boat, truck, RV, whatever it is, this is going to get the job done. And let's go out there and have some fun today, man.
Let's do it.
Awesome. Little 6-pound test, Seagar Tatsu. Not a giant one, but hey, this will start the Boat Bling Challenge for sure. So what we're gonna do is all day, look at this here. Fish just spit up this bluegill. This is what they're eating right here. Big old bluegill. What we're gonna do is, just like in Major League Fishing, we're gonna weigh the fish, we're gonna record the catch, and we're going to release the fish. So fish is going to go right back in the water. This fish is going to weigh, let's see here, 224. So not a giant, but it's a start. 2018 Boat Bling Challenge.
Yeah, 4-pounder.
Flipping it in there, old Straight King Rage Bug. There we go. Sucker's deep. That deep. Sounds like a nice one now, but
That's a really good one.
oh, there we go. Decent fish, huh?
Yeah, that's about 3.5.
Yeah. Close to 3.5. Yep. 345. Boat Bling Challenge.
Dang, that's like a 4-pounder. Flipping biggins.
Yeah, nice one, man. Nice one, Boat Bling Challenge. Now, today's a little bit slow so far, but that will definitely help the cause. Fishing some deeper grass right now. You know, yesterday just rained, had a little bit of a cold front. Let's see here. $3.5 pounder. That'll work.
Man.
You know what it is?
Oh, yeah, now it makes sense.
Wow. It's all about this stuff right here, guys. Boat Bling.
That'll go for it.
That one's pretty thick.
Yeah.
Pretty thick. Look at that one. Look at the gut on her. Not as big. 3 1/4. Doesn't look big.
I'm sure yours could eat it.
Look at this one here, guys. That's what we're after right there. Boat Bling Challenge. Yeah, that'll work. Double up. First double up of the day.
Inhale this thing. That's what we're looking for.
Double up. That'll work. 5-pounder. Hold that thing up, man. Hey, the day is really just beginning, guys. I mean, It's a halfway point. Double up. Couple good ones.
Can't beat it.
Can't beat it.
I'm gonna have to see if my dad has to have another meeting down in the city.
Yeah. Yeah, you wanna wear that one?
Oh yeah, definitely. This one will help.
That will help, definitely. Good job, man. Double up. That was awesome. Oh, yeah. That will work, huh?
That is a big one.
Dude, look at that. That one's heavy.
Bucket mouth.
Yes, it is. How big you think it goes?
Ooh, that'll be high sixes.
Oof. $6.57. Dude, this thing is thick. I mean, that doesn't look like a 6, but it's so thick. The back, the belly. Awesome.
Hold on to it.
It's a good one, man. Heck yeah.
I want to get a fish landing violation here.
No, you don't get a fish landing violation here.
There we go.
Nice. Hold that sucker out. This is a good one, man.
He choked it.
He did. Good job.
Yeah. We're fighting real hard though.
Yeah, that's a good fish, buddy. Oh, dude.
Oh yeah, it's a nice one.
Right on, dude.
I'll take it. So on. $3.10.
Get down there and just grab all that. Yeah. There you go. Hold that one up close to the camera, man. Show the people. Right on, dude.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
That might be my best one today.
What's your best one? Weigh it.
3.5 exactly.
Big one, dude. Oh, it came off. Oh my gosh, dude.
I'm sorry.
Oh. Dude, they're awesome. Look at that. Chonker. Dude, that one's healthy. Nice, dude. Oh, go for it. Yeah.
Oh, no, that's a fish. I caught one.
Chatterbait.
First chatterbait fish. That's a good one, too.
Ever?
Yeah. That'll help.
Yeah, that'll help.
Jacked him pretty hard. That one was fat. Probably go full. Oh,
That's a nice one, dude. Flipping that mat. That was awesome. That's probably 4, huh? Pretty heavy.
yeah, I need that one.
Pounder. Oh! Dude, did it look huge when it was out there?
It did. Fish landing penalty. Fish landing violation. Is that a 2-minute penalty?
Probably, yeah, but not today. All right, Garik. Well, that was it. What a day. You didn't win the Boat Bling Challenge, but I think, just like myself, you had a great time. What'd you think, buddy?
It was absolutely amazing experience. wouldn't trade it for anything.
Awesome, man.
It
Well,
was really great.
I hope you guys enjoyed. And again, remember, next time you guys need to clean your wife's van or your boat, your RV, your truck, whatever it is, take pride in ownership. Boat Bling, this stuff really works, guys. Like I say, it was one of my first sponsors. I started using the product because I loved it and it really works. So again, stay tuned, follow. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And Garik, awesome time. Great to meet you.
Thank you.
Glad you had a
It
good
was
time.
A lot of fun.
All right, guys. See ya.